Good morning, children. Joyadas here. Welcome to the math class. Now, in question number 7 from exercise 2.3, we can see that a car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using two 3/4 liters of petrol? So, you can do it in this way also. 1 liter of petrol covers 1 liter of petrol covers 16 kilometer. It is given in the question. A car runs 16 kilometer by using 1 liter of petrol. So by using two 3/4 liters of petrol. Therefore, by two 3/4 liters of petrol, it covers what do you think? It covers more distance. That means 16 into 2 3/4 kilometer. As it is a mixed fraction, convert it into improper fraction. 16 into 8, 2 4s are 8, 19, 11, 11 by 4 kilometer. If it is possible to cancel, cancel it. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So 4 into 11 kilometer, that is 44 kilometer. Understood? Now by using two 3/4 liters of petrol, it can cover 44 kilometer. Next question. Now question number 8. A and B. Two questions are there. In A, two parts are there. In B also two parts are there. So sub parts are there. Now the question is, provide the number in the box such that 2/3 into the number in the box, the result will be 10/30. So you can think in many ways. You can think, you can write. So how you can make 2, by which number you will multiply 2 to make 10? Yes, you can multiply it by 5. And by which number you will multiply 3 to get 10 and to get 30? Yes, it is 10. So the number, in this way you can think also. Provide the number in the box such that 2/3 into that number you will get 10/30. Or you can do it another way also. So you can think in this way. 10/30 and the numbers reciprocal of this number. If you get the reciprocal of this number, then make it simplify it. You will get 5 and 10. So the number will be 5/10. In this way also you can write the number in the box. Which one will be easy for you? You can do in that way. Both the ways are correct. Now, next, the same question, the simplest form obtained in that box. 5/10, the simplest form of 5/10, the simplest form of 5/10, 5/10. If it is possible to cancel, cancel it. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So the simplest form of 5/10 will be 1/2. Understood? This is the first question, question number A. Now come to question number B. Provide the number in the box such that the same question. Provide the number in the box such that 3/5 into the number you will have to give in the box so that you can get 24/75. The same way you can think 3 become 24. That means you need to you need to multiply it by 8 so that you can get 24. And 5 to 75. By which number you will multiply 5 to get 75? Yes, it is 15. Another way also you can see, you can think the same way. You can do 24/75. You can write in this way, or both the process you no need to do one process you have to follow. It is 75, 24/75 and the reciprocal of this number 5 by 3. Now cancel 3 8s are 5 15s are. So the result is 8 by 15 again. The result is 8 by 15. You can write it in the box. Now the simplest form of the number obtained in the box is 8 by 15. There is no way to cancel the number. So there is no common factor. That is why 8 by 15 is the simplest form only. So this is the answer. Then as this exercise is over, now we will start exercise 2.4. Now in this exercise 2.4, this is all about division of fraction. Now here we will do three types of fractions we will do. First one is division of a whole number by a fractional number. Whole number by a fractional number. Second one, fractional number by a whole number. Then third one is fractional number by a fractional number. These are the three types of divisions we have to do in a fraction chapter, fraction. And here we will write a reciprocal, a new word, reciprocal. But first of all, 12 divided by 3 by 4. So what you will do, 12 into. Now this concept of reciprocal is coming from here. That when we are changing this division sign into sign, then it will become 4 by 3. That means the numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. And you know that as it is 12, so actually it is 12 by 1. So if it is possible to cancel, you can cancel 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. So the result is 4 into 4, 16. Next one is 4 divided by 8 by 3. The same way, 4 by 1, you can write 4 by 1 into. The reciprocal of 8 by 3 will be 3 by 8. Is it possible to cancel? Yes. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now the new result is 3 by 2, or as it is an improper fraction, so you can write 2 1s are 2, 1 by 2. In a mixed fraction also you can give the answer. Next sum is 5 divided by 3, 4 by 7. As it is a mixed fraction, so first of all you convert it into improper fraction. Write 5 by 1 into 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 4, 25. Sorry, first of all you just convert it into improper fraction, 25 by 7. Then you can convert it into reciprocal, 5 by 1 into 7 by 25. Now cancel, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So the result is 7 by 5. If you want to convert it into mixed fraction, 5 1s are 5. So 2 will be the remainder and 5. Next, question number 2. Reciprocal of each of the following and classify as proper fraction, improper fraction or whole numbers. So first of all, you come to know that what is reciprocal. So reciprocal of 3 by 7 will be just numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. So it will become reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. And what do you think? It is proper fraction or improper fraction or whole number? Yes, it is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Now next one is 9 by 7. Reciprocal of 9 by 7 is 7 by 9. And it is a proper fraction as numerator is smaller than the denominator. So it is a proper fraction. Now 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Reciprocal of 1 by 8 is 8 by 1. 8 by 1. 8 by 1 means 8 only, and it is a whole number. Understood? Now come to question number 3. Now division of a fraction by a whole number. Division of a fraction by a whole number. It is 7 by 3 divided by 2. Now what do you think? It is 2. That means can I write it 2 by 1 also? We can consider it 2 by 1 also. Here it is 4, 1 by 3 divided by 3. That means we can consider 3 by 1. Here also it is a mixed fraction divided by 4. We can consider it as 1. You can write also. So what you will see, 7 by 3, the divisor part only we will make the reciprocal, not the dividend part. That right side part I have to make the reciprocal. So 2 by 1 will be 1 by 2. Is it possible to cancel? No. So what you will do, 7 by 3 to just 6, or 6 on just 6, 1 by 6. Next one is 4, as it is an improper mixed fraction, so first it convert it into improper fraction. 4 3 is 12 plus 1, 13 by 3 divided by 3 by 1, which is equal to 13 by 3 into 1 by 3. What you can get now, 13 divided by 9. Want to make it a mixed fraction, 9 ones are 9, 4 by 9. Next sum is 3 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 1. The same way, first you convert it into improper fraction. 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1. Make its reciprocal of the right fraction. 7 by 2 into 1 by 4. It is not possible to cancel, so 7 by 8, and it is a proper fraction. So this is the answer only. Now the next part. Next part is division of a fraction by a fraction. Fraction by a fraction. So what you will do? 2 by 5 into 1 by 2. Sorry, 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. Now we are not it is not possible to cancel, so what you will do, 2 2s are 4 by 5, and it is a proper fraction, so this is the answer. Next sum is improper fraction, so first make it a proper fraction. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5, that is 7 by 3 into 5 by 3. So the number is 7 5s are 35 by 9. Make it a mixed fraction. Now 35 by 9, make it a mixed fraction. 3 8 by 9. Improper fraction, make it a mixed fraction, make it an improper fraction, then divide it by the fraction, then make it reciprocal, then as it is an improper fraction, make it a mixed fraction. Next one is 2 1 by 5. This is 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 divided by 5 1s are 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. Now divide equal to, make it reciprocal. 11 by 5 reciprocal 5 by 6. You can cancel also. 5 1 5, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5. The result is 11 by 6. So 6 1 are 6 and 5 by 6. Make it mixed fraction. I hope all of you understand all whatever we have explained today. Thank you, students.